The thing is, if you're trying to mirror your Windows PC to TCL Roku TV during meeting or presentation, but the TV name either isn't showing up on your Windows or it keeps getting stuck on connecting, or maybe you're seeing a could not connect error, this video will walk you through the surefire fixes. So if the TV's name isn't showing up, first make sure both the devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now, if there is in the same Wi-Fi, the TV name doesn't appear. First, we're gonna go to the TV's side panels, to settings, from there to system, scroll down to screen mirroring mode. Here, make sure it's not set to never allow. You can choose always allow, but prompt is recommended to prevent accidental screen mirroring. Next, we're gonna open screen mirroring devices, and you're gonna just check if your Windows PC hasn't been accidentally blocked in here. If it appears in this blocked list, simply remove it. Now let's get back to your Windows PC. Open settings, from there to network and internet, then click on your connected Wi-Fi network, and here, just go ahead and change the network profile type to private if it's set to public. Now, another thing you should check is whether the wireless display is properly installed or not. So make sure you're in the settings page, go to system, scroll down and enter projecting to this PC, then select optional features. You're going to choose view feature to add an optional feature. Now, first we're going to search for wireless display. If you don't see it immediately, just select see available features and then search for wireless display. If it's not added in here, check the box and just add it to your Windows. Once the installation is complete, close the window and now try to screen mirror again. Now let's say your TV is detected but you're stuck on connecting, or you just received a couldn't connect error. We would recommend you to go back to your TV settings once again, from there to system, advanced system settings after that. And here, make sure device connect option is enabled. Now, if the issue still persists, it may be caused by a network configuration problem. So why don't you just reset network settings once and see if that, solves the problem. So once again, from settings to system, advanced system settings. Now we're going to go to network connection reset and then select reset connection. This will remove your saved Wi-Fi network, so make sure you got all the passwords and stuff like that. And now try to screen mirror once again. I'm absolutely sure you'll be able to screencast your Windows to your TCL. That's all for today. See you at the next one.